A reading of the Holy Gospel according to Evangelist Luke. Glory to you, O Lord. Glory to you. Let us be attentive. At that time, a lawyer stood up to pose his problem to Jesus. Teacher, what must I do to inherit everlasting life? Jesus answered him, what is written in the law? How do you read it? The lawyer replied, you shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your strength, and with all your mind, and your neighbor as yourself. We're going to read that again. You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your strength, and with all your mind, and your neighbor as yourself. Jesus said, you have answered correctly. Do this and you shall live. But because the lawyer wished to justify himself, he said to Jesus, and who is my neighbor? Jesus replied, there was a man going down from Jerusalem to Jericho who fell prey to robbers. They stripped him, beat him, and then went off, leaving him half dead. A priest happened to be going down the same road. He saw him, but continued on. Likewise, there was a Levite who came the same way. He saw him and went on. But a Samaritan who was journeying along came on him and was moved to pity at the sight. He approached him, dressed his wounds, pouring in oil and wine. He then hoisted him up on his own beast and brought him to an inn, where he cared for him. The next day, he took out the silver pieces, gave them to the innkeeper with the request, look after him, and if there is any further expense, I will repay you on my way back. Which of these three, in your opinion, was the neighbor to the man who fell in with the robbers? The answer came, the one who treated him with compassion. Jesus said to the